Hi, dear wonderful traders and across the globe. I believe that you're doing good and you're taking good care of yourself. Hi, dear. So we are going to continue with a session that I started last time. And that was on how to avoid being liquidated. You see, in the markets, in trading, the one thing that you do not want in trading is being liquidated. You don't want to be liquidated. And how can you not be liquidated? The only way for you not to be liquidated, like I said last time, you need to manage your orders, your trading positions. You need to have a mentor. You need to have a very good knowledge. And for you to have knowledge, you first need to study. Because without studying, without learning, you cannot have the knowledge. Now, if there's anything you're going to do in the market, that's called applying what you know. And for you to apply what you know, you have to learn it. This is very important. I know many traders, they just want to make money. They just want to make money. They don't have time to learn and all those things. But don't do that. Make sure that you invest into learning. You understand? That's very important. So make sure that you invest into learning. Invest into learning so that you can learn. Okay, I'm just trying to, just a moment. I'm just trying to put something here. I'm just trying to put something here. Okay, I think now it's fine. If I'm not mistaken, now it's fine. Okay, let's put here. Okay, so yes, so the best way for you not to be liquidated is for you to have a mentor. You need a mentor, and that's why Mr. Crypto is here to mentor you. I remember last time I told you that anything that you do, when you learn in the markets, when you go for your courses, your cryptocurrency courses, and you subscribe or enroll by certain institutions, college or courses, and you learn all those analysis, like your technical analysis, your fundamental analysis, and your sentimental analysis. I told you that there is a fourth one that I came up with, and it's already a word that people use, but they never classified it as a particular and specific. They never highlighted it, and that's strategical analysis. If you do not master strategical analysis, I tell you, you will never make it in the market, even with all your knowledge in technical analysis, in fundamental analysis, and the sentimental analysis, you will still lose money. Because it's one thing to know the technicalities, and it's another thing to know the strategies of your, I would say, of your position. Like for you to enter the market, because if you don't enter the market, you cannot make profit or you can make loss. So your PNL, which is profit and loss, will depend on your position, which will depend on your entry and the exit. of that particular position. Now, your entry is very important in the market. However, even if you have a wrong entry, if your management, if you're trading, I'll put it this way, if your risk management is very good, you can relax. But if your risk management is not good, I tell you, you won't be able to sleep. You'll be forced to watch the market. And like I said in the previous video, that most of my traders in Asia, particularly a very high concentration from Pakistan and Bangladesh, and even some of them from India and some from Taiwan and Hong Kong. Most of these people don't know about this. They just put money there and they think that, okay, this is lottery. Don't gamble with your money. Don't gamble with your money. So, and I'm speaking to you from the point of view of someone who has been trading cryptocurrency since 2015. Guess what? Last time I had a video, and remember I spoke about Polonians, and I said that they never gave us anything. Guess what? I think the same day or the following day, I received an email that was telling me that I was going to be compensated from my losses on, from the Poloniex trades that I conducted since 2017. And it was a match that it was amounting to something like 1,500 US dollars. Can you imagine? That was my accumulated losses. According to what they said, the fees of the trade, something like that, and that's what happened. So they asked me to fill the form, which I did. So I don't know when they're going to pay out that money, but really I welcomed it. It could have been more than, because I've been trading on Poloniex since 2015. So it could have been more than that, but it's fine. Let me take that, you know. I really appreciate that. And you know who did that? The SEC, the Security Exchange Commission, the same organization commission that is suing Binance and Coinbase right now, is the same commission that got me $1,500. I have not received the money yet. I have not received the money yet. That is not going to take long. I'm definitely sure. And then they're going to pay out that fund. So they call it a fair fund. So it's a compensation. And that's the reason why I like the United States of America, because they've got very strong regulations. They protect the traders and investors. And I like that. But today, I don't want to take much of your time, please. No? I don't want to take much of your time. So let me go straight into, I'm going to share with you. So today I'm trading, I'm just using I can't remember, $110, $120, something around that amount that I'm going to be using just for the purpose of this training, to train you. Now, like I told you last time, it does not matter whether it was 1 million or 100,000 or 10,000 or even 100 billion or 1 billion, it does not matter. The only thing is that we are multiplying the capital, and that's your available fund in your futures accounts. Because you're going to use from that available funds to enter the trade, and when you enter the trade with a particular amount, it is called your margin. Don't forget those words, your margin. And then you have your leverage, which is what you, let's say your leverage is like you borrowing from the markets. So you borrow. So your borrowing will be based on your margin. So let's say, for example, if you enter the market, let's say with, just example, with $10, and you have a margin of 125x, 125x, then your margin is multiplied by 125. And guess what happens? When that asset increases, you'll be making profit, high profit quickly. But then when the market price goes against your expectation or your position trend, whether you are in long and the market price is going down, you will be losing significant amount of money and you will be liquidated very quick and very fast. I have been liquidated many, many times. Many times. You know, when you practice something, when you do something, you experience something, then you learn from your losses, from your mistakes and failures. All the billionaires that we have, they've had failures and losses, but they've learned from their failures and losses to better their skills and operations. So in the same way, you also can do the same thing, but you don't have to do that. And that's why you need a mentor, because your mentor will teach you how not to make the mistakes that he made and how you can maximize profit. Which strategies can you adapt so that you can be able to maximize profit? And that's the reason why I'm going to show you, because remember we're talking about strategical analysis. So I'm going to share with you a strategy that you can use when trading futures. Let's get in the markets. So I'm going to share my screen with you. So I'm sharing my screen now with you. My screen has been shared with you, okay, right? So first of all, I would like to ask each and every one of you following this live streaming right now. I trade a lot on MEXC. MEXC is MEXC Global. That's the name of the platform. And the reason why, because MEXC, they gave me bonus last time. It wasn't much, but just a little bonus. And like I told you, I like when I spend my money somewhere, I want you also to give me something back. Just a little. It shows appreciation. It shows consideration. And I like that. So listen carefully. MEXC, like no other platform, I've been trading on Binance since 2017. They never gave me any bonus. Last time Binance did something that I did not like. They told me that I received 25,000 US dollars as gift. And they were putting that in my tax income, whatever it is, you know. But that's not true. I never received such money. Never received it. So that's not good. So my point is that I never received any $50 even for Binance as bonus. Not from Kucoin, not from Bittrex. Poloniex is only the SEC that now, okay, so I consider they never gave me any bonus, okay? But MEXC, really, they did give me something small. I mean, few days of me joining their platform and trading with them, bonus. That's very good, isn't it? So I'm asking you, all I want you to do for me, the link to my MEXC affiliate, what you call it. So if you want to follow me, like if you want to trade on MEXC Global, use the link, my affiliate link. And definitely you'll be sure that you're going to the platform that I'm talking about, that you are not following a wrong URL, okay? And then the second, you will be getting some bonuses. I don't know what type of bonuses. I also joined somebody else, and then I got a little bonus. You also, by joining me, you're going to get something when I do not know. How much, I do not know. there, that's between you and them. But one thing, you're going to be on the platform, and then I'm going to be sharing with you concerning MEXC and some other beautiful things. But for the purpose of the training of today, I want to use my Binance account because I still trade on Binance, you know, from time to time. So for this purpose, I'm going to use my Binance account. And like I said, I'm going to use the $120 there just to teach you how to manage your funds, how to use this strategy to maximize profits. So let's see if this is working. So remember, the title of this video is what? No more liquidation, right? No more liquidation in cryptocurrency futures trading. No more liquidation. How do you do that? Here we are. So I've got all my MEXC. Yeah. So all my MEXCs, as you can see, all my MEXC futures coins. So all of them here, they are the coins, okay? Now, there's something I need to point out about this platform. The MEXC is very good. Why? Number one, they list in their futures trading coins that Binance already delisted, coins that Binance rejected. You'll find those coins on MEXC in futures trading. Number two, coins that Binance removed from their futures trading and puts only on spot, you'll find them on MEXC. Number three, your brand new coins that have been launched, okay, that have been launched, those coins, you find them in futures trading on MEXC. So you have a lot of interesting coins that are trading on MEXC futures, and you can maximize, you can make a lot of profit because they move very fast. That's very important. So, like I said, for the purpose of the training of today, I am going to use Binance. So I already have some coins, like these coins that you see here, or coins that I selected like about 2 weeks ago. So now I still need to make a new list of coins, like you say here, trading now. So this trading now, I need to select new coins. There's another one I put strong buy bull trend, strong buy bull trend. So I need to change this whole list. I need to change the whole list. So right now, as you're following, I want you to follow with me so that you can see what I'm doing. So this coin here is called CFX, okay? It's a coin that is very volatile, so it moves very fast. But now, should we enter it now? Is it the right time? So we are going to do some technical analysis to see if this is a good coin to enter now. So if it's not good, then we're not going to trade in it. So let's say, for example, here, okay, so guys, now there is something I want you to understand here. Remember, I told you it was 120, actually it's more than that, because here is 127. So if you add this one here, I don't know how much it's going to be, but anyway, you can do that calculation. Okay. So anyway, the point here is that you see my leverage here. I'll come back to trading view. So bear with me. So you see here, we have 20x. That's the leverage. Adjust the leverage, which is 20x. This is too much already. With these altcoins mean alternative coins. So with these altcoins that are pumping day and night and dumping, if you go on 20x, you'll be liquidated quick. It will shock you. Now, some other coins, they go 50x. Others go even 125. So if you go on this, you'll be liquidated. So what do? I minimize it. So I trade. Remember in my previous video, I said, do not exceed 20x. No, sorry, 10x, not 20, okay? Don't take that. 10x, that's your maximum. Now, I'm not going to take 10x. I stick to 5. I stick to 5. Okay, that's 5. So it's already there, so I don't have to click confirm. So 5. Read here, selecting higher leverage such as 10x increase your liquidation risk. That's it. Always manage your risk levels. See, okay, you see that? They tell you it's like the smoking cigarette. It's like a cigarette package, you know, like the box of cigarettes, you know, where they put, I don't know if it's 20, how many of them they put in that box. It's written on the pad, smoking is dangerous for your health. And smoking causes lung diseases. They warn you, you know it, but you still go and smoke like hell. You want to smoke like Bob Marley, but you're not Bob Marley. Okay, now I want to tell you something. So this, they already told you your leverage. So 10x is your maximum, like I said. Even 10x, like they said, you can be liquidated. Big. So 10x is even what? Now, you that are going to trade on MEXC, MEXC gives you up to 200x. So please don't go there and put your leverage high. You must always check this leverage thing before you click or buy open long or shorts. Please, I beg you, please do not go and act anyhow. So what happens is that I chose 5. I'm going to close this window. So here, which coin are we talking about here actually? That is this coin, SSV. So SSV is the one I'm in right now. So what I do, as you can see my record here, is 5x. 5x. So this 5x, this is ANT, sorry, is ANT, not SSV. But we're going to buy SSV. But before we buy SSV, we're going to analyze it and see if we can buy it, if it's the right buy. Now, today, I want to tell you the market crashed today. The market really crashed. It dumped. And it was good. I was not in the market at all. And now this is the time to make, this is good opportunity now. You see, this is good opportunity. And let's see if the right time to buy it. So here, navigate. Let's go to, let's stick to this CFX. Let's go to 4 hours and see. On 4 hours, it's very bad still. However, we have first candlestick, second, third, fourth. So he has not been able to break this support level. Okay, this is the support level here. So, yes, it looks like there is a reversal coming up, but that's not enough. We're not, one thing in trading, do not hope, do not expect in trading. If you want to be a good technical analyst, you must never, ever hope or expect. If you expect, you are not a good analyst. You might be into speculation and very good with that. But I'd like to know that trading, I understand most people that say speculation, this and that and all that. It's not gambling, it's not lottery. This is an exact operation. Yes, I repeat again, trading is an exact operation. If you make losses in the market, it's your fault. If you make mistakes and you have failures, it is you. You need to work you. Once you work you, the markets and you'll be synchronized and you'll be making a lot of profit. So don't ever blame anything for your losses. No, blame yourself and work on yourself. Be honest and work on yourself. So 1 hour, when I see 1 hour here, there is a very strong demand here, but it's not enough for me to enter the trade based on this. So it means that I cannot enter this coin and stay in for a very long time. So I go on 15 minutes and see what is 15 minutes saying. 15 minutes also is not ready. It's not ready. It's not ready. You see, it's not ready. So I cannot enter here. 5 minutes. If 5 minutes is not good, I'm not entering this trade. I'm not buying this coin. I'm not even trading this coin. If it's not good, I don't even waste my time. So mainly, we want to focus on 5 and 15 minutes time frame. This one and this one. Please make sure to engage with me. If you would like to talk to me, to engage, there is an email, okay, right in the description box. Make sure that you email me, and then we'll be able to talk personally. Okay, guys, thank you very much for that. So on 5 minutes, let me see if it's good. Not yet. So I pass on this one. Let me go to SSV. SSV 5 minutes, not also good. It's not good. It's not good. So I'm not even gonna waste my time with that. Lina, yeah, look at how this coin went down. It dumped huge. So can we trade Lina? Can we trade Lina? Nope, it's not good. So which coin are we gonna trade? Because everything is not good. Let's see here. And so ask yourself, why am I trading ants? Ask yourself, why am I trading ants? You see, ant has a lot of demand. And look at here, bullish trend. So this is good. It's good. So this is where I want to be, but it's not enough. Now Tomo, let me see Tomo. Tomo, I don't know, let's see. He's gonna tell us what's going on there. So Tomo is fine, is kind of in between good, you know, but not yet ready. Let me explain something to you. Trading is like a mango. When you go, you buy a mango, you can't just eat it if it's not ripe. If it's not ripe. So it has to be ready to be eaten for you to eat it. Otherwise, you can't. You cannot eat banana if it's not ready to be eaten. You won't like it. You can't eat it. You can't. It's like cooking meat. You cook meat, the meat is not ready to be eaten. You want to eat it. I know some people that they like to eat meat that is not even well cooked, like red, bloody, and all that. But not everybody, not everyone. So you have to wait until the fruit is ready. There is a time to eat it. There is a time. Any farmer will tell you there is a time for you to go for the harvest. There's a time. So the same thing applies in trading. So if the time is not ready and you want to buy the coin, you want to anticipate, you are wrong. There is no, remember what I said, professional traders do not hope that the price will go up or down. We do not hope when we do not expect, because expect means that this maybe is going to happen, maybe not. We don't expect it. We know it's happening. We know it. We know it's happening. Okay, so I think let me just I'd like to put my video off quickly, just for a second, if that's fine. Okay, but now I can hide the thumbnail, but I don't want to mess up things here. To be honest. Okay. Okay, guys, just hold on. I just need to get up quickly. Just hold on. I'm gonna be here right in a moment. It's better to do this, what I'm doing now, than to just carry on. Great. So it doesn't take long. So it doesn't take long. So let's say, for example, we take 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, 15 minutes is good. Tomo on 15 minutes is good. So here is good, but there is a but. The but is that we have a very strong resistance here. There's a very strong resistance here. Very strong. I'll show you now from my staff. So we have a very strong resistance here, and then we have to be very careful. But Tomo, definitely we can buy it. On 5 minutes, what did he say? On 5 minutes, let's see 5 minutes, what did he say? And then we're going to see 1 minute. But for this time, because 15 minutes is good, 5 minutes is good because it's kind of is getting closer to break the resistance. But remember, we're not going to anticipate. We're not going to anticipate. So because we're not anticipating, we're not rushing. We're not rushing. So we're not rushing. So we're waiting. Now we're going to 1 minute. For the first time, I'm taking you to 1 minute. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So yes, 1 minute. So 1 minute is good because it's bullish. On 1 minute, this coin is bullish. Now you might ask why I didn't do the same thing for other previous coins. 15 minutes was bad, 5 minutes was bad. I don't waste my time for 1 minute. If I enter 1 minute, I'll be risking. So I need to have 15 minutes bullish, 5 minutes bullish, and then 1 minute bullish. If 1 minute is bullish, I enter. I enter, very important. So here, I would wait for this indicator to turn yellow. What you see, like this yellow here, see the yellow? So these are my indicators, the signals, it's giving me signal, yellow, you see the yellow, when the yellow came, pop, 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 right there. So here, I wait for it to turn yellow. The moment he turns yellow, I enter. When it turns yellow, I put all the money in. When I say all, it's not like all. We'll go back to the other side and I'll show, but right now, remember, we're selecting coins. So we are still busy selecting. So I mark this yellow, I tag it green. So this is a very good one. And what is it saying? Let's see, Ant. Ant is doing good. It's doing good. It's just uptrend. It's just going up, upward, you know. That's very good. You see, like I told you, this is very bullish. It's very, very bullish. In 5 minutes, what was he saying here in 5 minutes? 5 minutes, remember I told you that it's good, but still he has not broken this resistance here. But the fact that he entered here, you know, and this one, this indicator that you see here, you see this one here? I call it the magic card. It's a magic card. It's a magic card. It's a magic card. If I'm not mistaken, some of my students from 2021 will have this indicator. If I'm not mistaken, you do have this indicator. Maybe, can't remember. But this indicator is magical. It's magical. So he's good because he's green, which means bullish. It means, yes, you can buy long. It's very good. But I'm interested in 1 minute here. Not 5 minutes, not 15 minutes, which is good for me to look at. At 1 minute, I trade because I want to conduct a short, a quick trade here for the purpose of the trade. So we're looking to long because the market went down. So what do you expect? A little correction. Sometimes it can dump and go down, yes. But right now the market is trying to get itself back a little bit. So you can take advantage on that. It's very important. Now, there is something I was supposed to tell you because I took it, this coin, for example, I took it from 15 minutes and 5 minutes. And I was supposed to check it's 4 hours. What is it saying on 4 hours? This coin is so strong, it's tough. It's so tough. Like on 4 hours, he couldn't go bearish. He's still bullish. And look here, it's like it's bullish. It's still bullish. Not like it's still bullish. Remember what I told you? We don't hope. Professional traders don't hope that the market will go up. We don't expect the market to go up because your expectation, what is you alone, your expectation is going to do in the $1 billion market cap on daily basis in the cryptocurrency markets. What is it going to do? Nothing. You alone, what are you going to do? Nothing. So you can't hope, you can expect. You have to know what you're doing. So you know it's an exact knowledge. And the exact knowledge here is that this coin is very, not very bullish, bullish. It's not very bullish. Because him coming down here, and look at this, my indicator, it shows red. So he is still trading under the red. However, this my indicator, this one, the green cloud that you see here shows that he's trading on above the cloud. So then it's bullish like the eagle who is above the cloud. So he's bullish. You can see the price is going up here. If I put 1 minute, you see there is increase. You see that the coin is going up. As you can see, look at here. You see this one has gone up higher than anything that came previous. This candle is higher than any of them the previous. So that's kind of very good. Now there is a coin Tomo. Tomo, remember we spoke about Tomo. So Tomo, this is Tomo. So Tomo is still going down. So we're not going to enter it now. Guys, you better, I think one of the, I think it was Abraham Lincoln, right? Abraham Lincoln. He's the one that said that if you give him a tree to carry down with an axe, he said he will take, I cannot remember the percentage that he said. So let me, I like to speak things. But I know it was Abraham Lincoln. So I'm just trying to see if I can get the quotes because this, we need this. You know, you need to have philosophy in trading. Okay, this is what he said, Abraham Lincoln. So I got it right. This is what he said. He said, give me 6 hours to chop down a tree. And I will spend the first 4 hours sharpening the axe. So it means what? He is going to spend 2 hours to cut it. Most people will spend all the 6 hours trying to cut the tree, and they will never be able to cut it. They will even spend 365 days, never be able to cut it. Why? It's stupidity. You first need to sharpen the axe. And that's why in trading, you need a good skill. Most people just want to put money in. You need a good skill. Definitely need it. In the same way, if you want to select coins, take your time to select. Take 4 hours. You are given 6 hours to enter a trade. Take 4 hours to select the best. And then 2 hours for trading. Myself, I'm learning something here. I like it. This is very interesting. You see here, he's coming back. He is coming back. I didn't say I hope that he's coming back. I didn't say I expect that he's coming back. I said he is coming back. He is coming back. Look at him. He is coming back. But I'm waiting because patience is key to successful trading. Patience. I hope you followed my previous video where I was sharing with you that you should not fear. Fear is a bad thing in the markets, fear. So you shouldn't fear. You shouldn't fear. So it's very important. Very important. You see it's going up, right? But I'm still waiting. I'm not rushing. I'm not going to rush because I want to make the best entry. I want this one to turn yellow. As soon as this one turns yellow, I can enter. Even though the magic card is still red, but I can still enter because he's not going to take long before he changes his color. And guess, by that time, I would have been making some good profits. Some good profits. But so here, it's going to come back, don't worry. It's just refreshing screen. And this is Kucoin that we're trading here. And Tomo on 1 minute is bullish. On 5 minutes is doing, he is on 5 minutes. On 5 minutes, he is still bearish. On 5 minutes, even though he put bullish trend, which is a good signal. This is already good. However, he's still bearish because he's trading within the cloud, the red cloud, not the gray, the red cloud. And then this one here, this is my indicator. He is bearish. However, my magic card is green. So that's why I'm still checking this coin because okay, now, you know what I want to do? I want to create a new list. I want to create a new list. I always like to put the dollar sign because I like dollars, don't you? Don't be hypocrite. Okay, so I just want to put YouTube traders. So this is you, YouTube traders coin. You are part of this. If you are following this, it's about you. So YouTube, yeah, that's it. That's it. So this is it. So now this coin, I really want to send him to here. So right is the first one on the moon. That's very good. Let's go back to ours. We're going to select him. Is already good, but we need more coins. We don't want to just be waiting for one coin. This one, you remember the ant. So ant also is good. So we're gonna add him to our YouTube. So then we'll be going there. STX, I think STX has been doing good today. I think so. But he's still almost the same thing like the others, you know. But I want you to understand, like normally we wouldn't enter this trade on this level. Normally, that's it. I think that's much better. Okay, so normally we wouldn't enter this trade on this level because I would have waited for the price to be trading above and not below, above. And for some of you, you would like to join my live on, you want to be part of it on Zoom, because remember I shoot from Zoom. So if you want to be part of the live, the email in the description box make sure that you email me, and then I'll give you access. My next live streaming, you'll be participants in the chat room. I mean, in the live streaming, okay, in the meeting, you'll be participating there. So let me know that. Yeah. Now, I think that now is the time like never before. We're going to make a lot of profit. We're going to really take advantage of what's going on in the market. And I really hope that some of you made losses, you know, like today and the other day and maybe last year, and all your losses. This is the time that you need to position yourself, okay? So STX, let's go in 5 minutes and see what is he doing. So as you can see here, he's doing like same like the ends as well. Okay, let's see 1 minute. If 1 minute is not good, I'm not gonna waste my time with this. Okay. So let's see whether he is above the cloud, the green cloud. He is above the green cloud. So we can kind of like keep him in the book. Yeah. And then let's keep on shopping for coins. So let's go back to 15 minutes. None of the coins can be really above this particular red cloud at this moment on 15 minutes because they're just coming back, you know, so they can't. They can't. So they can't, okay? So it's else we wait completely. But for the purpose of this training, I need to get into some trades. Okay, just for the purpose. But I don't want to enter the wrong trades and then, okay? So you kind of have to be patient. So this one, like I said, it's not a coin I really want to trade. Let's see Arbitrum. Not good. Not good at all. Ocean. Not good at all. There is no sign of anything bullish there. Most of this coin even will go down, even this one. Most of these coins will still go down. This one is mask. Mask here, there's no sign where and here is yellow, which is cute, but not really. Nope. Here is no. Here is not good. I'm not putting my money here. Nope. Nope. Matic is a dangerous coin because the SEC is suing Binance and Coinbase over this Matic polygon. So you have to be very careful with this coin. You have to be very careful. It's Matic, there's Solana, Sol, and Cardano. I think Cardano, ADA, or ADA, whatever they call it, Cardano, ADA, and some few other coins. You have to be very careful because those coins can dump crazy. So you have to be very careful. But actually, most of the coins will still down. Okay, Pepe, I like Pepe. How are you doing, Pepe? Okay, I like Pepe lots. The name, you know, the name is, oh, okay, here is showing to be a little bit bullish and there's a demand, but is that enough for us to make an entry in the market? No, here also a little bit, but this, my magic, nope, it doesn't show me good thing. So Pepe will have to wait. Pepe will have to wait. No, we're not going to enter Pepe. Amber, I don't want to go there because those are dangerous coins. I don't want to go there, not at all. The reason why is Amber dumped 50 minus 50 today. So really avoid such coin. It's a troublesome. It's a naughty boy or a naughty girl. Always we must check 15 minutes first, okay? Always we must check 15 minutes. And then here 15 minutes is one indicator is good, but this one is not yet. So we're gonna check on 5 minutes and see what 5 minutes is saying. 5 minutes here is good. This is good. Only this one. If 1 minute is good, we're trading in this coin. Even despite this huge dump, we're trading it. So here, we have red here, sell. You see, this is sell. So what we're going to do, we're going to wait for this one to turn yellow. When it turns yellow, we're going to buy. So I can put him on the watch list. On your watch list, remember YouTube traders, it's your watch list. It's your watch list. Magic is a good coin, very volatile, kind of very good. And I like Magic, you know, Magic cards. So let's see if Magic is good. I think we'll stop with this Magic. Now we're going to be entering the trade, okay? So Magic right now is not yet good, but there is a demand, but not yet good. Let's see on 5 minutes. 5 minutes. There is one guy, his name is Carl, the moon. The moon, how are you doing? The moon, okay? I remember the other time the moon was saying that Bitcoin price was going up, and I said, no, it's going down. And he's very influential in the crypto industry. And what happened? Bitcoin price went down. So the moon, you're not always right in your predictions, but I like you. The moon is a very good trader. I really respect him because he's a young man that really came out of nowhere and then became a super guru, a guru. The moon, you are a guru in the industry. Yeah, kind of still make mistakes based on experience because I think I've been trading before him. So I've got more experience in the industry than him. Yeah, I remember when he first started, I used to follow some of his videos, but he was making a lot of mistakes. But remember something, strategies. You can be a very good technical analyst, but someone who has a good strategy can make a lot more money than you, okay? So I guess he has a very good strategy. I definitely believe that Carl has good strategy, good strategies. I'm definitely sure about that. Okay, so 5 minutes, let's see here. 5 minute kind of good. So this is Magic, remember that? Magical coin. It's not good. I'm not gonna put my money there. So guys, we kind of have the coins that we are going to be trading. Okay, but if I check something before I kind of like, because I need to check something. So the only coin that is doing green here is BTC dominance. How about Maker? Maker, let me see something. Why is this coin, why is Maker so green like that? Not green, but somewhere there. Oh, bull trend. This is the coin that we're going to trade, guys. This is a juicy coin. Why do you waste your time with things that are crawling when you have something that is bullish? So we're going to enter the bullish. We're going to enter the bullish. This is good. Look at here. This is what we want. Bullish. I like bullish trends. This is very good. Guys, we're going to be trading this coin. So can we spot one more? Ethereum -5, not good. Monero, no, not Monero. Maker is good. So BTC dumps. Now BTC dumps. Let me think about something. 5 hours. Oh, is bull trend on 5 hours? That's very good. Let me put him in the group. You never know. Now I'm done with everything. We have to go and trade quickly. So these are the coins that I selected, guys, with you. So these are our coins, YouTube traders coins. Okay, these are the coins that we're going to be checking. So let me go back and see on 4 hours which one is well positioned for us. I didn't say I hope or expect. No, you remove those terminology from your vocabulary as a trader. If you want to be a professional trader, don't talk about hoping, don't talk about expecting. And people will tell you, no, we have to hope because it's speculation. No, This is not speculation. I don't care whatever you call it. This is an exact operation. You can follow the pattern and make money. So don't come and tell me speculation, whatever you call it. It's not gambling, it's not lottery. You can make it a gambling. You can make it's like a knife, you can make it anything out of it. You can use it to kill, use it to cut your nice meat, barbecue, and eat it. Like the water. Water, you can use it to kill someone, burn someone if you boil it, or you can use it to warm yourself and have a nice warm shower or bath or do something. So you can make anything out of anything. So this is good. It's good and it's good. So don't come and tell me that this is whatever it is. Not. It's not. This is good. Exact operation. So as you can see here, like I told you, this one is still good. This is good. So Ant is good, definitely. So Ant, we're keeping Ant. Lina on 4 hours. What is it saying? Lina is not going to be good in 4 hours. But I can tell you, it's not going to be good. But here it's very good here because you have like kind of a good support level here. And he's on. So actually right now, you see, I told you before even the demand came, this line, the green line here is a support, is a very strong support. So Lina, we will be doing something there right now, but we have to check Maker. On 4 hours, what is Maker saying? Come on, Maker. What a dump! That's a huge dump. So Maker is still trading under. So 4 hours is going to be too long for us to see the things that we want to see. 1 hour, let's again check them. You see, these are works that you have to run. Remember what Lincoln said? 4 hours, sharpening the X. 4 hours, sharpening the X. 2 hours down. So definitely Maker is a coin that we need to focus on. Let's see now. Maker is good, it's good. You can definitely work on that. In 1 minute, remember. Come on, Lina, why you down? This is taking so long. You see that? This web page is roulette because it was using significant energy. Yeah. But can you go now because of other? Not bad, it's increasing. Okay, guys, so let's finish with let's finish here and then we'll go back, okay? So here, Lina, 1 hour is not good. It's not good, so Maker is the only one coin on 1 hour that is good. STX is also good. Yeah, STX is good. So XTX is another coin that is good. Lina, no, Maker, yes. And then Ant on 1 hour. What Ant is saying here? Ant is not yet good on 1 hour. And Tomo, let's see Tomo, what is he saying? Not good, I'm sure. Tomo is not good on 1 hour. It's not yet ready on 1 hour. But on those small time frames, they're ready. Okay, you see it's not good, it's not good, it's not good. So now let's go back to 5 minutes and see who is ready. Remember, a coin can be ready on a higher time frame, but is not ready on smaller time frame. So if you want to run a short trade, let's say you want to scalp, you might find yourself being losing money or being liquidated. So, and that's why my strategy is very good for you, so that even if the trade goes against you, the price goes against you, you won't be liquidated. Because remember, the first thing you have to do is to remove the liquidation. So you don't want to be liquidated. Okay, so here, he's not yet ready, because this purple must turn yellow. Then we can enter. And what is Ant saying? Ant is good, but remember, Ant is good, but there is this small one. It's very good. He has made a tremendous move and really made his way to the top, but he still needs to break this cloud, like within this red cloud, okay? So STX, let's see this good player, if he's a good player. This is STX, USDT. Now let's see the position. Is good. STX also, it's not ready. We're not going to push on things that are not ready. Lina. Lina is kind of good, but remember, it's still trading under the red cloud. So it's not bad. So with him, we can check on 1 minute. If 1 minute is good, we trade, and 1 minute is not good. You know why it's not good? Red magic. This red one here, I'm not entering. This red here, red one here, this small red, down, everything is good down, even you put bull, but I will not enter it. So let's see Maker, if Maker is good on 1 minute. 1 minute, if it's good, is weak. You see the Maker that is good on the other time frame, but on 1 minute is not good. So what can we wait for? We wait for the purple, this purple, to turn yellow. If it turns yellow, I can enter. Then that will mean bullish. Then the green magic card can also go up, because right now the magic card is wanting to go down. It's wanting to go down, and once it turns red, it's not good for this coin. Once it turns red, it's not good for this coin. You see, I told you, it's wanting to go down. So I won't put my money here yet. There is a coin that I saw that was good on 1 minute. Let's go back and check. Now this coin here, I'll come back. There's something I want to show you. Tomo, we're just waiting for Tomo, this one to turn yellow and this one to turn green. Then we can go in. So you see, it takes patience. 1 minute, every 1 minute, you must be patient. Here, this is Ant. Ant is still doing good. And we're already in. So we just have to wait. Guys, I have to do very fast because really it's like everything is taking energy here. So I have to be very fast. This one is not good, but he's still above the green cloud, and you see demand. That's very good. And it's above the green cloud, which is very good. Above the green cloud. Here, it will be very difficult for you to make losses. And you can't short here, you can't. Even though the whole entire market is bearish, but you can't short here because it's above the green cloud. If you short here, you have a problem because anytime it can go up, anytime. This is not expectation. This is not hoping. This is a fact. And the fact is that this asset, STX, is trading, it's called stack, is trading above the green clouds. But we need confirmation on this. You see the magic card is green. That's good. It's very good. You see when I try to zoom, you see what happens? Look at here. This one came down, couldn't cross down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them can cross down. Why? Because of this green magic card. And the price is above. You see, but we need to wait for this purple indicator to turn yellow. So we'll come back on that. Let's see Lina. Why even did we take Lina? Let's see here. Lina is not good. It's not good. It's not good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Lina is not good because here, but now I see it's trading above the green cloud. Demand, we have 3 demand, which is good. And then don't forget this moving average, but I don't really check it much, but it's something to be considered. So here is red. It will be difficult for the price to cross this indicator. Very difficult. Believe me, it's going to be very difficult. Look, you see here, when this one came here, the price went out and came back. came touch, came back until this one. The moment it turned green, look at it, the price started trading above it, and now it's trading below. So this might still go down, but because it's trading above, so what do? We wait until this turns green again, then we enter. That's a very good strategy. Remember, we're talking about strategical analysis. So even in your technical analysis, you need to apply strategical analysis. That's very important. Okay. What else? Maker. Let's see Maker. You see, Maker is red. We can't enter. We can't enter. It's not possible. If we enter, that would be really not good. You see here, when it turned red, down. Then this one came, but it couldn't cross down. This one tried, couldn't. This one tried, this one tried, and then we had a series of uptrend, and then it came down. Now, when it went up, then it came down until it came red. So guys, I need to enter a trade now. So Maker is not good, and we have a lot of coins that are not good. Do we even have a coin that is ready right now that I think we can enter quickly? Is there any coin here? Okay, but let's go back to this one. So this is what I was telling you. One thing that you don't want at all, you don't want to have a liquidation price. Now, in your mind, I want you to do one thing for me, please. In your mind, inside, in your imagination, I want you to imagine. Because remember, I said, remember what the Bible says. If you are faithful in little, you shall be faithful in much. We know that. So this is a little, okay? But are you faithful in this little? Because if you are faithful in little, then you'll be given much, and you'll be able to manage that big. Many traders, they think, okay, no, it's little. If I lose it, it's little. No, we don't want to lose the little. You need to be faithful. You need to manage the little very well. The reason why habit becomes second nature. If you do not have the habit of managing your risk, of managing the little, and then you have them, it becomes a nature of you being a loser in the market. I tell you, even when you'll be given $1 million, you lose it all. If you are given $50 million, you lose it all. So if you are able to manage even $10, listen, if you can enter this market with $10 and you make sure that you don't acknowledge or receive any losses, okay, you are a good trader. It's not the amount. It's not the amount. It's your trading skill. You understand? That's what is very important. So here, with my strategy, look at here, the leverage is 5. My margin is 16. Normally, okay, here I think, here I really went above my pattern, which is not good, but still it's giving me no liquidation price, which is very good. So I have no liquidation price. I can go to the moon. I can even travel with Elon Musk and come back, and I don't have to worry about liquidation price. The market can dump. There is no liquidation price. Look here. There is nothing. Zero. No, nothing. It's not applicable. That's very good. That's what you want. And with that, look at here. I'm 25% profit. That's what you want. That's what you want. Now imagine in your mind, I just want you to imagine anything that you see here multiplied by 1,000, which means that if I was trading on, let's say, 150,000 US dollars right now, if I was trading on 150,000 US dollars and I put $16,000 here, right now, I will be making 4,000 US dollars profits. I entered this trade, it's not even an hour, or maybe not 2 hours, I think, but not long ago that I entered, like not long ago. You understand? So I entered. So imagine with $16,000, I would have been making $4,000. That's good. I mean, how many people do you know that can make even $4,000 profits? I'm not talking about Let's take a restaurant, for example. The guy is there, the people, the owner is renting the venue, and he bought the chairs, alcohol. He went to liquor store to have some supply, and then people come and eat. Remember, there is the staff that he must pay their salary, pay himself, and there is electricity bill, water bill, Wi-Fi. You understand? And other things that he must do. And with all that, the money that he received, he has to deduct all those things. So how much is left on daily basis as profit for him? That's very important. Very important. But here you are with $16,000, you make $4,000 in less than 4 hours. Tell me if it's not a good business. So now I'm going to enter other trades. Let me check here. So Tomo is not ready. You see here, you see this indicator? It's not green, so don't rush. We're already in the ant. STX, what is he saying? STX is not yellow. But remember, he managed to cross over. You see that? You see, you know the reason why? You remember the when I told you that the green card, magic card, you see this magic card is green. So the price will be trading above it. So it will be very difficult even for the price to come below this small support level. So that's very good. So me knowing that, having that information, I take advantage of the price. So now you see it came green. So now I can rush, but not yet confirmed. But here it went, so I get ready because I'm gonna hit it back very hard. Did he confirm yet? He hasn't confirmed yet. So yeah, now another, you see, that's why you mustn't anticipate. You see, it did not confirm it. So I'm waiting for the next candlestick. The next candlestick, come on, delay me. Actually, nothing is moving. So STX, we have to be very careful with STX because I see his positioning here is not that good. Guys, I'm going to show you something that you're going to laugh so much. So let me see the timing because that's very important. Please make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, make sure that you hit the like button. That's very important. So what are we saying here? He did not confirm. So we're just going to wait a little bit, okay? Because he didn't confirm. You see, that's how you trade as a professional. Patience is key here. Remember, I told you, you have fear and you have greed. So you must eliminate fear and greed, and you must also employ a lot of patience. So now, I'm not going to say anything because there's no hope, there's no expectation here. We're just going to wait for this coin to go. This indicator, everything is playing around this yellow. Everything is playing around that yellow. So the yellow, okay, now it's here, but not yet confirmed. So I'm waiting, it must confirm. The timing is here. You see, 7 seconds, 6, 5. So we need to see another candlestick that confirmed. Once this one closes, you see now it's closed. Great, now I can enter. You see now I enter with, remember something, with 127. So even 11 already is good because that's like divided by 10. So now I can enter this trade. So are we in the trade now? Yes, we are in now. Guys, I want you to check something. So I use 10% of my available capital here. So the margin here is like $10, $11 as you see here. Now in your mind, see this $11 as $11,000. If you are faithful in little, you shall be faithful in much. This is like it's been amplified. So we're working in 3D. Whatever you talk, like now we have metaverse, you know. So we're talking all those terminology, okay? Little, faithful in little, faithful in much. This is little, so can we be faithful here? So now, if let's say I put 16,000 and I'm making let's say I put 16,000, I'm making 3,900, 3,900, then I'm good. I'm fine. I will just take it, you know. So right now here, I should think about taking this profit. But now let me show you something. You see here, there's no liquidation price for this. Even the one I just entered, there is no liquidation price. I cannot be liquidated. In futures trading, the most dangerous thing is for you to be liquidated, because then your money is gone. You have no seed to sow. So you need to protect your liquidation price. There are two things that you must always check: liquidation price and your margin level. So my margin, okay, wait. You need, once you enter, you check margin and liquidation. If I enter this trade and I saw a price here, I was going to cancel that trade and re-enter again. So here we have 5x. Remember, this is very good. Your leverage must not exceed 10x. The liquidation price must not show anything. If it shows something, cancel, reduce everything. Particularly, you can reduce your margin and the leverage. Then you will see this must not show anything. Please do this for yourself and your family so you don't have to lose. Don't be greedy. I have been greedy. I have lost even the little one that was left. Please, I beg you. I have lost everything, all savings and everything was lost. You don't have to repeat the same thing. It was stupid of me to have lost as a professional trader, to have lost my everything. But listen carefully, you don't have to. But the most important thing was not for me to lose, but now that I am vexed, now that I am immersed in the perfect knowledge, the perfect trading skill of not being liquidated, this is celebration. This is bravo to me, because there is no more losing, no more losing. So you see the font, you see, it's going up here, okay? But remember, we are not yet done. We still have other coins like Maker. Oh, Maker went up. It went up. Maker went up. Oh, we miss it, guys. We miss it. We're supposed to enter here. Guys, we miss it. I was talking too much. We miss Maker. But we can still enter. But now, for us to enter Maker, we have to wait for Maker to remove. Maker must remove this. There is a resistance here. You see, I just said, then I put the X. It's a resistance there. We must remove it first. Otherwise, we're not going to enter. Lina, let's see Lina. Lina it's not bad. I told you, remember that. Look at it. It changed it. The indicator changed to yellow. And this one, you see the green one here? The price is above, which is a good thing. So now let's go to Lina. We're going to go to Lina. Is there Lina here? Lina, where are you hiding yourself? So we type Lina. Here he is. So we're gonna long Lina. But remember, always check your available fund here. So here I have $116 left. So what do? When I divide this by 10, it's 11. So I check $11. Even if it's a little bit below or above, but it shouldn't be like 15. No, 11 here is fine. But let me see, this is too much. You see the leverage? So that was good that I went back to check. So this leverage, I have to put it on 5. So 5, and it has to go to 5, and then I come back to get my 11, not 14, that's too much. Not there. That's good. So you see 11. So 11 now I can enter the trade. So I am in this trade. Look at here. Also, Lina shows no liquidation price. So now I'm no longer going to trade on any other coin. I'm sticking to this trade, and then I wait to see the profits. So guys, remember, I told you in your mind, you must think of times 1,000. So any cost that you see of me here, it must be multiplied by 1,000. The reason why, so let's say, for example, I will be having $105,000 here. So it's not just because I've got available funds that then I use half. Other people will just put 50. It's greed. It's a demon that is animating. It's a demon possessing. You need deliverance. So it's wrong. Other people will take 40% of their capital. This is considered as capital. Okay, this is your trading capital. Okay, so people will take, like they'll put 60%. I remember sometimes I used back then to put 80%, and then I got liquidated. You don't want to be liquidated, not at all. And then you only divide it by 10. So if it was like, let's say for example, if it's $200, then your trade must always be 20. Now remember something. The more you cut, the remaining will go lower. It means the more you take from it for the margin, the remaining will be lower. You must always divide always by 10. What is here? What is here? Divide it by 10 and put in here. And make sure that your leverage is 5. Some of you will make money. You will come and give me gifts for what I shared with you. Because this will make you to never be liquidated again. Never lose your small funds that you have. You could have used that money for holidays, for vacations. It would have been better. You could have given to family members. It could have been better. But now you came to the market, stupid mistake, you lost everything. But now that's gone. That's the past. Now we're here. What is important is for you to embrace this teaching that I'm giving you. What I'm showing you here, embrace it and take it as from someone who has been trading since 2015. I know a lot of things in this market, and this is what I'm sharing with you, that if you can follow this strategy. Remember, we're talking about strategical analysis. It doesn't exist. All your curriculum, if you can study, you can enroll any cryptocurrency course. They will only teach you mainly 3 analysis, which is the first one is technical analysis, the second one is fundamental analysis and sentimental analysis. But nobody talks about, no professional, no writer of curriculum in cryptocurrency courses will ever put strategical analysis as a highlighted or main, I would say, topic in their courses. No, I came up with. And with this, do not lose money. You can be the best technical analyst and you will still lose money. You could be the best fundamental analyst, you will lose money. You will be the best sentimental analyst, you will lose money. But as long as you add all these 3, okay, you add them to the strategic analysis, you always make money. Now let's check here. So remember in your minds, it's 1,000, okay? So this one, remember, this one, let's say if it was $16,000, right now I would have been making $4,000, 700 or something. And this one would have been like, I don't know, but maybe 1,000, right? No, this one would have been like $100. Yeah, $100. So this one, they're still crawling, you know. But this one, this is the real deal here. You see, this one is moving, it's moving good. So I don't want to be greedy. So what do? I can sell it. I don't want to be greedy. So I'm going to see Ant is positioning and see if now I should get out of it. So Ant is here. See, Ant is been doing good. Good. But we cannot be like, oh, he's doing good, so I'm there. So Ant here, he took profit one, which is, you see here, TP1. So that's the first target, okay? The targeted profit, he took it. Now this is the second target. So I don't have a liquidation price. So what am I gonna rush for? I don't have to rush. So I can just be patient up to this P2. And P2 is $3, like, is it $3? Yeah, $3, $2.92. Here, I'll be making lots of profit. I might be moving to 75% because right now here, I'm already 29% profit. So 29% is not bad. Look at already this Lina that we just entered is not 1%. Okay, these two are not 1%, but it won't take long for them to get to that level because I can see Lina already positioning itself to go up. Now, most traders will not enter this trade. You know why? Because it's shooted here. So most will think, okay, it's going to shoot again. But no, it might be wrong. Technical analysis will tell you where the trend is going. So Lina, let's go to Lina again, because Lina is very important for us. So yes, you see the magic card. You see that which I put my magic indicator has not turned to green yet. It has not turned to green yet. It's when it turns to green, that's when it's very interesting. But I'm not going to add on my position. I'm not going to do anything anymore. I'm already in this trade. The reason why I went in this trade, remember, because it's trading above the green cloud. We have a very strong demand here. And then this indicator is into buy. The green means buy. Is trading above this moving average, which is a very strong moving average. And then the only thing that is left is for this magic card to turn into green. Once this one turns into green, the sky is open. Then we can make a lot of profit. You see now, this candlestick that just came now, is like, no, I don't want to hope, I don't want to expect anything. We are in the market, bottom line. So we're in. So let's see what's going on. This, I really like this, what this coin is doing. I really like it. Because, I mean, what really do you want? You come in the market with 16,000. Remember, with this strategy, you will never lose this money, never. With this strategy, I tell you, I can be holding this capital till next year. Unless maybe there's a major need, you know, and then you sell everything, you withdraw all your funds, that's an exception. But as long as, if you're smart, you can keep this capital, you keep that your capital, whether you borrow the money from the bank, whether it was a loan, whatever it is that, wherever you got the money from, you can keep this until even the next 5 years with this strategy. You will not lose it. You will not lose it. Because there is no liquidation price. It's none. It's non-existent. It does not exist. You will only be making profit. But remember, it's a strategy. But then now you have the strategy, you need your technical analysis. And then with that, you can be making good profits. And imagine this is something that you can run as a business, a full-time business. Yes, because you have the capital. Yeah. You can run this as a full-time business. You don't have to beg anybody for a job. You don't have to beg anybody for whatever it is. No, you are in the markets every day, every time. You see what it was trying to do here? To shoot. And look at here. Already with 1%, which is very good. All that based on what? Do you see the magic card? It turned green. Very good. This is that's what I told you. That was all I was waiting for. The sky is open. The sky is open. Now you're gonna see this coin. It's gonna increase the price. Look at here. It's 999. It's gonna go to 1 now. 0.01. It's gonna happen now. It's gonna happen now. Keep on watching. This is Lina. Lina was a great coin. It made a very tremendous. Look at what happened. Did you see how it shot? Did you see how that candlestick went up aggressively? This is Lina. It's a good player right now. It's the best player. It's one of my best player in my team. And my team here is called, this is not Arsenal. This is not whatever they call it, which, I don't know, whoever is playing. I don't follow much of the soccer. I only follow soccer when I have to trade those football coins, you know. Like AS Milan. There is this one is called Atletico, the Madrid ATM, and there is PSG, which is Paris Saint-Germain. Those are coins. Actually, on MEXC, Binance does not trade those coins on their futures, but MEXC Global trades that on their futures. Now, there is something went wrong here. You see, this one came down, but he is going to reverse. Why? He's coming to test. You see, that's very important. He must always come to test. You understand the support level. So he came to test the support level. That's what just happened. So you will see the price is going to shoot again. Yes. Why am I so confident in this, in what I'm saying? Because the magic card just turned green. So he cannot trade below that. The history showed that. Look at the magic card when it turned green, it turned green. What happened? The price went up and came back to test the support. And it went up, 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 up. You see now it's going up again. It's going up. Okay, guys, I hope that you have been learning a lot in this during this live streaming. I am going to leave you because we cannot continue. I've got other things to do. I'm going to leave you, but just remember one thing. Your capital divided by 10, you take a portion, you put into a coin. Don't open many coins. You can just open 3 coins, up to 3 coins already fine. Okay, up to 5 coins is already fine. But I advise you 3 coins, 2 coins even is fine. Don't be greedy. Remove fear and greed out of your trading. I would say your trading skill, and you will be a professional trader and not an amateur. Remove fear and greed. Fear and greed. No fear, no greed. I will tell you a story of what happened. One day I entered the market and I put very little money into my margin. Boom! I was making like $169 profit in less than 15 minutes. And guess what? I didn't sell. The next day morning, I was liquidated. All my money was gone. Why? Greed. Greed. And that happened to me many times. I'll be in profit and I wouldn't sell, and then boom, liquidation. Until I solved the problem, and that's what I'm sharing with you. That's what I'm sharing with you. So the problem has been solved. What are you waiting for? Get to work. Get to work. The problem has been solved. Your problems, I didn't say your problem, your problems of liquidations, of you not making profit, solved. The only thing that is left for you to get, you'll have to spend some few dollars. I'm talking about some few hundreds of dollars. Listen, you want to make money, you don't want to invest. What type of human being are you? You need to invest. Once-off investment, but because this is not social media. This is not something that you are buying to receive more followers. And so, no. This is something, this is making you money. So you need to put out money. You need to invest money. And you need to bring me the hundreds of dollars, the thousands of dollars, so I can mentor you, so I can train you, so that I'm not saying bring your money so I can trade for you. No, I'm saying that bring the money so I can mentor you, so I can coach you, so I can even give you of my indicators. I will share them with you. I will even set it up for you. And I will even show you how to use them. And you will be making money only. You become a money-making machine. You'll be making money all the time. Okay, so now you see what happened. It went down, but I told you my confidence was in one thing. Remember, this is not expectation. This is not hope. I know what I'm doing. A professional, an expert is a worker, an operator who knows exactly what is doing and result thereby or thereof. I told you it came down. I could have panicked. No. I knew, not I expected, not that I hoped. I knew that it was going to come back because he must trade above the what you call it, the green magic card. Is my magic card. Is my card. Is my magic card. And this, I can share it with you. I'll share it with you. And then you, even if I give you just this card, is enough for you. Maybe some of you are professional traders, you are expert. You don't have this card, you're wasting time in the markets. With this card, I tell you, you'll make a lot of profits. Okay, great. So that's it. So guys, I love you very much. But I have to say bye-bye, Mr. Crypto BTC must go now. I love you very much. And so remember what I said to you, divide by 10, and then you put here, liquidation price, there must not be any amounts, 0, not applicable, and then 5x leverage. Always, the leverage, you can be very tricky. So sometimes when you open a coin, if you enter, you just buy, maybe the leverage is already high. So make sure that your leverage, you always adjust it to 5x. Please, I beg you for that. I made a mistake, it cost me. One day I entered the market, the leverage was like 50x. I didn't know. And then I continued, I was in minus. It was already a huge loss. I could not sell. I was stuck in that trade until I ended up being liquidated. Yes, so those are mistakes I don't want you to make. Listen, I've been trading in futures since 2019. So I don't want you to make these mistakes. Guys, I love you. And this is it. STX is going to go into profit. And Lina is going to go into profit. And also Ant, all of them are going to go into profit in the next few, let's say, few minutes, not even hours. Like here, it's gonna go up again. It's gonna go up, don't worry. It's gonna go up, that's for sure. So that's how we trade, and I really love you, but I have to go now. I have to go now, and I really appreciate you being present here. And I don't know how long was this live streaming, but make sure that you use the email address that is in the description box and engage with me, talk to me, okay? And then we'll become friends and we'll talk. And also make sure that my affiliate links of MEXC Global, that affiliate link that is there, use it and register on that platform. And I tell you, you'll be so happy. And I will, because when you talk to me, I'll ask you if you already registered there. okay? And that'll be very good. And it's the same like Binance, they've got the same asset, even more. The interface of their platform is almost the same thing like Binance. I even thought it was for Binance, but I don't know. But anyway, go and use it.